The outer bands of Hurricane Flossie should bring locally heavy rainfall to coastal portions of the Mexican states of Guerrero, Michoacán, Colima, and Jalisco through Wednesday. Life-threatening flooding and mudslides are possible, particularly in steep terrain. Tropical storm conditions are expected in portions of the tropical storm warning area in southwestern Mexico through today, the 1st of July. Flossie continues to strengthen early this morning, the 1st of July, evident by an expanding central dense overcast (CDO) over the low-level center of the cyclone. A couple recent scatterometer passes at 0337Z and 0428Z helped in locating the center underneath the CDO, and assisted with the refinement of the 34 and 50-knot wind radii. The latest subjective Dvorak intensity estimates came in at T4.0 at 65 knots from both SAB and TAFB. The objective intensity estimates ranged from 69 to 90 miles per hour, 79 knots, at 06Z. Based on a blend of these estimates, and taking into account the improved satellite presentation during the past few hours, the initial intensity has been raised to 85 miles per hour, 75 knots, for this advisory. Flossie is heading toward the west-northwest, or 309 knots. This motion is expected to continue during the next several days, with a slight decrease in forward speed, as the cyclone is steered into a weakness in the mid-level ridge to the northwest of the system. The track forecast is very close to the previous advisory, and is closely aligned with a blend of the latest HCCA, TVCE, and FSSE consensus aids, as well as the latest ECAIFS run. The environment will remain very conducive for strengthening during the next 24 to 36 hours, with warm sea surface temperatures of 28–29 degrees Celsius, abundant mid-level moisture, and light vertical wind shear. The latest ship's RI probabilities show a greater than 40% chance of a 25-knot increase in 24 hours, and the official forecast reflects this. Rapid weakening will then begin by 48 hours, as Flossie moves over progressively cooler water and begins to entrain dry mid-level air. The system is forecast to become a post-tropical low by 72 hours and a remnant low at 96 hours. The intensity forecast is on the high end of the intensity aids, closest to ships and NNIC.